Well, hey there, guys, and welcome back. On this week's show, we've got another Retro Kenny rerun. Well, 2014 was the year. The camera equipment was rustic. The sound was horrible. The host of the show was awkward as all get up. But we are here today with part 3 of our folding chair slash stool build. And I hope you're enjoying it up until now, if for nothing more than the comedic relief of how awkward it was back then. But either way, guys, it's part 3. And if you are interested in that part 3, again, you just click right up here in this top corner and that will bring you where you need to be. Guys, I want to thank you so much for holding out with me here. It's almost over. We're almost back to new content. We're part 3 today of a 5-part series, most likely the final one in the retro reruns. So I want to thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you're able to take something positive out of today's show, guys. I hope that you enjoy the part 3, but more importantly, I hope you're going to join me again next week when I bring you yet another Retro Kenny rerun.